Hey guys, today's lesson, we are going to talk about the function extension of livefollow. This video includes two parts, how to modify default tracking color and how to add tracking color. We know that the default color of initial program is black. If you want to modify default color to red, you can switch the recognized color directly via app SpiderPi. However, if you want to modify the default color through command line, you need to modify the game program. Here I prepare a red tape for demonstration. Click to enter the Excel terminal on desktop. Enter command to the directory where the game program is located. Then enter command to go into the game program through VI editor. There is a method to help you locate to the corresponding position quickly. Input digit 183 and press shortcut key Shift+G to the line for modification. The black means that the default color is black. Now press I to enter the editing mode. Then modify black to red. Press ESC to enter last line command mode. Input :WQ to save the file and exit the editor. Okay, let's look at the performance after modifying program. Well, we can see that the program is modified successfully. In the next part of the video, we are going to explain how to add tracking color. In addition to the built-in recognized color black, white, and red, you can also modify two other tracking colors in the program. Here, we take adding green as example. Send modify method if you want to add other colors. You'd better choose solid color instead of composite color for better performance. Open VNC. Input command to open lab color setting document. It is recommended to use screenshot to record the initial value. Now, double-click to open lab tool. Click Connect button in the lower left hand. When the interface displays the camera returned image, the connection is successful. Select red in the right box first. Why should we select red? Because we modified the default color to red before. Now we need to add recognized color on the basis of it. Adjust the corresponding slider of L, A, and B until the green part of the left screen becomes white and other colors become black. And then click Save button to keep the modified data. Please note that the values of L, A, and B are not fixed. It will be affected by light intensity, so that we should adjust the value according to the facts. When the modification is complete, click Save button to keep the modified data. After the modification is completed, check whether the modified data was successfully written. Enter the corresponding command to check the color setting parameters. Okay, save and exit the program. Let's look at the performance. Now, disconnect camera, otherwise SpiderPi can't work normally. Well, this is the end of the video. Now please have a try.